Hello, I've got a little project going on again. This is the gearbox that I welded these plates on, and it has now been taken apart. And this is one half of the gearbox, and it's now on my rotary table. And what I'm gonna do now is to make this surface straight, perpendicular to this one here. And this is quite a challenge to attach to my rotary table, because the diameter is only 250 millimeters. I should have a 400 millimeters rotary table, but I don't. But I got it on anyways by this clamp. It's just barely on, but that's enough. I got some good pressure on it anyways. It's gonna be okay. And the other one is just fine. It goes through here like this. So it's on with two clamps, and that's just enough. It's very sturdy now. And I got it also to turn pretty straight. Not perfect, far from perfect. It's about maybe 2 or 3 millimeters off, but that's just fine. So what I'm gonna do now is to put an 18 millimeter carbide mill in here and turn all of this straight, or mill it straight, I mean. And then I am gonna take some material off here too, so that I can make another weld here, because there's about 1 centimeter of extra aluminum. I'm gonna mill all of that away, and maybe also do the same thing here. Maybe, I don't know yet. And when this is done, the second project will be this. This is the bell housing for the original gearbox, which is an automatic gearbox. And this will be welded to this plate. But before that, I'm gonna have to take 97 millimeters off from here to about here, to this mark. And that I will do by putting this upside down on the rotary table and sawing off it right here using my wood saw, which is just fine for aluminum. Okay, let's get started.